A rocket is basically a powerhouse built to defy gravity and get its cargo into orbit. So let's take a look at this incredible machine, starting from the very bottom and going all the way up. Okay, so how does it beat gravity? It all starts right at the bottom with the engine nozzles. Their job is to blast hot gas downward, which, thanks to Newton's third law, creates an upward push called thrust. Right above those are the primary engines. They're clustered together for just massive power and redundancy. Inside, a process called combustion mixes fuel and oxygen, creating that powerful blast of expanding gas. And all of that is fed by the main fuel tank. As you can probably tell, it's the biggest part of the rocket. It holds liquid oxygen that has to be kept unbelievably cold. We're talking minus 183 degrees Celsius. And the rocket's outer shell, well, it's super strong but light, protecting everything inside during the climb. Now see this? It's the inner stage connector ring. It connects the stages, but its real job is to separate them. So once the fuel's gone, this ring ditches the heavy, empty first stage. That's stage 1 separation. And right after that, stage 2 ignites, firing up its own powerful upper stage engine. This engine's a bit smaller and way more efficient. It's designed to work perfectly in the vacuum of space. Its main goal? To hit an absolutely mind-bending speed, 28,000 kilometers per hour. All right, let's move on to the rocket's brain, the guidance and navigation system. This thing is packed with computers, making thousands of little tweaks to keep the rocket on the right path. And right at the very top, we have the cargo, the satellite payload. This is the whole reason for the trip. Protecting that satellite is the payload fairing. It's basically a nose cone that acts like a shield. But once it's above the atmosphere, it isn't needed anymore, so it just splits apart and falls away. So, to put it all together, the journey starts with that powerful combustion in the engines, which creates that massive upward thrust to get off the ground. Then, the first stage separates, since its job is all done. And the second stage ignites, pushing everything the rest of the way. And finally, that fairing opens up, releasing the satellite into orbit. And that whole trip, from the ground all the way to orbit, happens in just a few minutes. Makes you wonder, what's next?